This Start X remote starter kit gives Honda Odyssey owners from model years 2014 through 2017 a convenient way to add remote start without dealership programming hassles. The system is tailored for push-to-start ignition vans, so integration with the factory electronics feels seamless and does not trigger warning lights. Installation is largely plug-and-play thanks to the included vehicle-specific harness, which avoids cutting or splicing wires and keeps the factory wiring intact. Using the feature is simple because it relies on the original key fob, letting you start or stop the engine by pressing the lock button 3 times instead of carrying an extra remote. In real-world use, the kit is especially valuable for preheating or cooling the cabin and defrosting windows before you get in, making daily driving more comfortable in extreme weather. Start X backs the hardware with clear video instructions and responsive technical support, which is reassuring for do-it-yourself installers who may be tackling this kind of upgrade for the first time.